August 6 is celebrated as a Hiroshima Day. Here are some questions and answers related to it. Watch the video. Hiroshima and Nagasaki are in which country? Japan. Which day is celebrated as Hiroshima Day? August 6. What is the name of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima? Little Boy. Which place is also known as the City of Peace in the land of the rising sun? Hiroshima. When was the US bombing of Nagasaki? 1945 August 9. Which element was used in the atomic bomb Little Boy? Uranium. The scientist who developed the theory of E = mc square? Albert Einstein. When did America first test the atomic bomb? 1945 July 16. What is the name of the atomic bomb dropped on Nagasaki? Fat Man. What was the name of the aircraft used to drop the atomic bomb on Nagasaki? Boxcar. Which US port was bombed by Japan in retaliation for the attack? Pearl Harbor. What was the name of the element used in the Fat Man atomic bomb? Plutonium-239. Which American pilot bombed Nagasaki? Charles Cheney. Where in India was the first atomic bomb tested? Pokhran, Rajasthan, 1974. What was the secret name given by the United States to the atomic bomb? Manhattan Project. Which museum in Hiroshima was built as a symbol of peace? Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. What is the working principle of the atomic bomb? Nuclear fission. By what name is the Indian nuclear test known? Buddha Labs. Which organization was formed for world peace? UNO, United Nations. Who is known as the father of the atomic bomb? Robert Oppenheimer. Which was the first flower to bloom after the atomic bomb blast in Hiroshima? Oleander flower. The father of India's nuclear power? Homi Jahangir Baba. Which element was used in India's first nuclear explosion? Plutonium. What is the name of the victims of the atomic bomb? Hibakusha. Who is the author of the book War and Peace? Leo Tolstoy.